What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we got to talk about Shiba Inu because the Shibarium testnet is back and live. And this is actually pretty good because we're getting closer and closer to coming out with Shibarium. But, anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, don't forget to check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto millionaires merch inside of the industry. So, check it out. We got Crypto Vibe shirt. King Bitcoin Crypto Millionaire established in 2023, which is the shirt I'm wearing right now. As you can see right here, I got this Crypto Millionaire shirt on right now. This thing is pretty nice. And yeah, it's very, very fit on me, as you can see. Very fit, comforty. So yeah, definitely come over here and check out cryptomillionaires.shop. So yeah, let's talk about Shiba Inu here. So we got a lot to go over now with Shiba Inu. The first thing that I want to talk about here with Shiba Inu will be the technical analysis. So we did hit that support line way back here on the 22nd of March, and that's pretty much when we had that Fed meeting, right? So we had the Fed meeting, and it brought us all the way back down to the support, and then we built that momentum back up, almost past that previous resistance that we got rejected at around the time of the Fed meeting, which was pretty much 4Z11, and now we're all the way down here to 4Z106. So that's pretty much what we're looking at now. And now on the oscillator, it's also showing that we're coming off of an overbought area. And this is the overbought area. So it's showing that this is overbought. So if this is overbought, technically we should be pulling back now because you can see here on the oscillator, it's at the peak of that overbought area, meaning it's about to curve downwards. So it's probably about to curve downwards and bring some selling in. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting here for Shiba Inu. It could go down a little bit, and we're starting to have a strong downtrend indicator right here. So it could be as strong as this one right here, or it could be a little bit weaker. But we'll only know once time goes by. But right now, we are going through this little downtrend here. So we'll see how long the downtrend lasts because even here, even though it went up, it was still a downtrend. So that's why I like these indicators because if I take them off, then it's going to look like we're having green candlesticks forming. But these green candlesticks, they're actually going down. So that's why I like the indicators. But anyways, let's talk about some other stuff with Shiba Inu. We're not going to only stay on the technicals. I guess we can also go over the 4 hour chart before we go over to the other stuff, just to kind of have a perspective of the long term. So yes, obviously on the oscillator here, you can see that red area is forming up, which means selling is now coming in. And obviously we've seen it on the 15-minute chart. But I don't think we're going to go down too low with Shiba Inu. And down here at 4Z9, that's typically where Shiba Inu does not like to be. Like anyway, anytime Shiba Inu adds on that zero and gets around 4Z9, it almost always immediately comes back. So that's like a no-go zone for Shiba Inu. So we can only go down but so low. You know, we go down to 4Z9 for some reason, and then possibly 4Z8, then it's bouncing back up because Shiba Inu hates being around that area. But yeah, I definitely think a pullback could happen, but it's probably going to be barely anything. And I do think Bitcoin is going to end up getting all the way to 30K before that happens. So like I said, Bitcoin being at 30K, that's pretty much the bullish confirmation for the crypto market. If it can reach 30K and keep it, then yeah, there's bullish confirmation. But we'll have to wait until that happens. But moving on from the technicals, though, let's talk about Shibarium. So this is huge. Shibarium is now coming out. Well, the Shibarium testnet, and they're making the Shibarium testnet live again. So it is now live, which is pretty cool. But remember, this is just the testnet. But now that it's coming live again, they probably did some updates to the testnet, and now they want you all to test those updates they did to the testnet. And this is why we have test nets, right? This is why they're not just going to release the main net, because they released the test net first, and then they're like, look, the test net is not done. We have some problems here on the test net because y'all just found these problems by joining the test net. So now they're like, all right, we're going to take the test net away for a little bit, and then we're going to re-release the test net. So then now you can check these problems. And they're going to keep doing that until they got everything down pat. So for all the people that are saying, when are we getting the Shibarium? When are we getting Shibarium? We're getting Shibarium after people have tested the testnet enough times to see that there's no significant errors in the testnet. So I've been seeing a lot of people are talking about when is it coming out, like when's Shibarium coming out. That's all everyone's talking about. They're like, you keep saying this, you keep saying that. When's the actual date? Blah 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 blah. And that's pretty much what everybody is trying to get at here inside the comments on this Twitter post. But the thing is, like I was just saying with the testnet, like they have to get everything right on point. They have to do it the first time. So if after this testnet goes live, they still are finding, errors, like the stuff that they need to update, then they're pretty much gonna stop the test net for a little bit, fix it, and then re-roll the test net out. And they're gonna keep doing that until it is finished. So I think it could be the last time that they re-roll this test net out because they just now did their updates on it. And we'll see. But if there is any errors on there, then we're gonna have to redo this process until all those errors are done. So yeah, I'm definitely pretty excited about Shibarium though, because I think Shibarium is definitely going to shake up the crypto market, especially with meme coins. There's going to be a lot of meme coins launching on Shibarium, and if they do that, and they build on Shibarium, meme coins are going to be like the biggest form of currency. Let's just say that. I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but the way I'm looking at it, if Shibarium is successful, a lot of meme coins are about to become successful as well that want to launch on Shibarium. So that'll be good. There will also be a lot of room for scammers too that you got to watch out for. So there's always that. But anyways, let's talk about some other stuff here with Shiba Inu. We're going to actually go over the testnet and look at some of these updates that we have on the Shibarium testnet. So here is the docs.shibariumtech.com. So they give you all this information about what Shibarium is, all this good stuff. We already pretty much know what it is. It's a layer 2 being built on top of Ethereum. But anyways, let's read it in their words. Shibarium was first proposed by Ryoshi, the creator of Shiba Inu, as a blockchain layer 2 solution. Ryoshi believed that to achieve true decentralization, a community must have its own low cost blockchain. So that's why they're coming up with the blockchain. So yeah, it's going to be zero taxes, as they say. So Ryoshi initially stated that Shibarium's transaction fees would be minimal, if not zero. So it's going to be minimal. Shibarium will offer low fees, blah blah blah, explained by Satoshi. So that's pretty good. It's going to be very very low fees. Obviously, Ethereum, Shibarium's foundation were built on Ethereum, obviously. So they're saying the benefits, security, and that's why they keep doing the testnet over and over again to make it sure it's secure, transparency, and yeah, they're making sure they're very transparent, efficiency, cost effective, and decentralization. That's all of their focus in a nutshell. Shibarium is based on proof of stake. So they're saying over here, Shibarium's proof of stake chain utilizes side chains to process transactions, resulting in unparalleled transaction speed and cost efficiency. So proof of stake also guarantees asset security by employing the reliable plasma bridge framework in a decentralized network of POS validators. So you get speed out of that, you get scalability out of that, flexibility, you get cost, you get all the good stuff doing proof of stake. Now, we also have over here Ethereum plus Shibarium bridge moving between two large blockchains. So that's going to be cool having this bridge here. They said it requires a secure and robust cross-chain bridge. And Shibarium has achieved this by utilizing both Plasma and POS security to create trustless and bidirectional transaction environments. So that's pretty cool as well. And pretty much what all this is going to go over is pretty much going to cover Shibarium as a whole. It's going to cover the whole thing about Shibarium. If you want to come through here and look at it, you can. And as you can see over here, now that you know that Shibarium is what Shibarium is, let's deploy a contract. So you can deploy contracts on here, which is cool. So setting up MetaMask with Shibarium, and then two, obtaining test bone. So you can set up the testnet if you want, and all that good stuff, and deploy those smart contracts and do all that good stuff if you want. If you're a developer, you want to go through all that. So definitely do that if you want to. I'm not going to go over all that because most people probably aren't going to get too tech savvy inside of that. But yeah, that's for the more advanced people. And then you got the MetaMask installation for the testnet here. So if you want to know how to get the testnet, they show you how to get MetaMask on here, and then they have down here showing you how to get to the Shibarium testnet. So as you can see, in order to view the flow of funds in your account on the Shibarium network, you will need to configure the Shibarium testnet or the mainnet. And right now, this is them doing the testnet. That's why it says PuppyNet. Trust me, it's not going to be called PuppyNet, but this is what they're doing for the testnet. This is just a testnet. That's why it's called PuppyNet. So yeah, you can go over there and check the testnet if you want, and then connect it. This is all you got to do with the network name, the new RPC URL, chain ID, the currency symbol, boom. So yeah, that's pretty much all you would do. So you can go ahead and do that if you want. And then you can go over here and then add the custom token for the test net. They have the custom test token over here as well. So you can do that and then it'll show up. It's very, very simple. So that's why I'm not doing it right now, because all I would do is put this in there and then it'll show the Shibarium testnet as a network. And then after it shows Shibarium testnet as a network, you just now put this token address in there for pretty much for the test net. You put it in there, the test token, and then it'll show you the test token with the test net. So that's pretty much all it's going to do. So there's no point in me doing it right now, but I'm just waiting until the actual main net comes out to really, dive deep on Shibarium. Like I'll do a lot on Shibarium. I just want the main net to come out before I actually start using it. But anyways, fundamentals of Shibarium architecture. Obviously, they got over here the plasma and POS that they were talking about. They said there's a three-layered architecture as the basic explanation for its architecture. Hemdall Bohr contracts. And obviously, you can learn about this if you want, but it's more so for some creators and coders who want to, do the whole thing on Shibarium. So if they want to build on Shibarium, they can go ahead and look this up. But yeah, we're doing pretty good here. You got the security models of plasma security, and you got proof of stake security, and then you got the hybrid that's plasma and proof of stake together. So you got a lot of good stuff going on for Shibarium. And then you also have the testnet, obviously, but we're not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna really go over that much. But yeah, you can definitely come over here and check out that as well. And yeah, if you want to check it out, it's all here. But I just wanted to go over this to say this: when Shibarium does finally come out, it's going to be huge. I'm gonna say it again: it's gonna be huge. We're already trending Shibarium right now, and it's because the test net is back live. Imagine when the main net is up. Like everybody's gonna be talking about Shiba Inu. People are gonna be building on top of the Shibarium chain. Like people are gonna be building on Shibarium. The main net is gonna be talked about all over the place. People are gonna be building. It's gonna be a really good time for Shiba Inu and for Bone and for Leash once that happens. But primarily Shiba Inu and Bone, and really mainly Bone, because Bone is the backbone of the Shibarium, and that's probably why they call it Bone, because it's the backbone of Shibarium. So, anyways, yeah, this is gonna be huge. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. So yeah, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And definitely come over here to cryptomillionaires.shop if you want to go ahead and get some Crypto Millionaires merch. We got all sorts of stuff here. So definitely check all that good stuff out. And yeah. Also, yeah, look at the shirt here. This is the Crypto Millionaire shirt, so you can get a taste of what it is. And yeah, it's pretty comforty. It's pretty comfy, so definitely check it out. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. As always, I'll be back with another video.